Hello guys, let's welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, am I going to talk about two-dimensional lists in Python. Two-dimensional lists are extremely powerful and they have a lot of applications in data science and machine learning. Here is an example. In mathematics, we have the concept called a matrix, which is like a rectangular array of numbers. Let me show you. So we have the numbers like this: 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma and 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma and 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay, so this like array of numbers, we have a rows. Okay, we have the rows and we have the columns, right? Now we can model this in Python using the two-dimensional lists, guys. Okay, a two-dimensional lists is a lists where each items in that list is another list. So you want to define a matrix. Okay, you want to define a matrix equal operator. Now we are going to use the square bracket. It will represent the lists, guys. Okay, and we can set it to a list. Okay, we will set it to list, and each items in this list is going to be another list. That list represent the items in each row. So the first items in our list is going to be another list, and in this another list we are going to have the values. In this another list we are going to have the another list called 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, this is the inner list, guys. Okay, now we have the second items in our matrix list. By using the square bracket we are going to type 4 comma 5 comma and 6. Okay, now we have finally 7 comma 8 comma and 9. Okay, here show some error because we will miss the comma here. Okay, and this will represent, or this list will represent the items in the second row. Okay, here will be there now. This will going to represent the second row, that is 4 comma 5 comma 6, and finally we will have the 7 comma 8 comma 9 as a list, as a inner list, right? So as you can see, we have a two-dimensional list. Each items in our outer list is another list, guys. Okay, are you getting my point? So this is how we are going to implement a matrix in Python by using the two-dimensional lists, guys. Now to access an individual items in our list. Okay, how we can access an individual list from this matrix? How do we do that? Is by using the square bracket. By using the square bracket, that is matrix 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 using the square bracket. I'm going to type 0 here. Okay, now I want to print this by using the inbuilt function called print, then add the parenthesis. Now I close the parenthesis. Okay, if I run this program, before going to run this program I will erase it. Okay, if I run this statement, we are going to getting this lists on the terminal. Let me show you. So I will run this program, see what happened. Okay, see here 1 comma 2 comma 3, the list is going to appear on the terminal, right? Now I want to access to only 2 on the terminal. How you can do that? Is very simple. Once again we are going to use the another square bracket. Okay, now I will pass the value or index of the 2. Index of the 2 is this is the one. The index of the 1 is 0, the index of the 2 is 1, right? So I will pass the value or the index is 1. Okay, now I will run this program. We are going to get only 2 on the terminal. Okay, see here the 2 is going to print on the terminal, right? So this is how we are going to access the individual items in this matrix, guys. And also we can modify these values using this syntax. Okay, before going to printing this one, we can change this value here. I will show you guys. Okay, matrix, better I will click enter. Okay, matrix then had parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis I will pass 0 here, and again using the parenthesis I will going to type one index, then assignment symbol. Okay, now I will going to pass the value like 60. Okay, now if I run this program, we are going to getting 60 on the terminal instead of 2. We are going to getting 60 on the terminal. So this concept we are going to call a mutable concept. Lists are mutable, guys. Okay, let me run this program, you will see. Okay, some error I'm going to find here, just wait a minute. Okay, see what is the error here. Indentation error means unexpected indentation, what you call indent. Okay, just wait. Better indentation error means that is Python is a indentation error, it will going to show here. Okay, now just wait a minute, guys. Matrix mrix matrix square bracket, that is 0, and then using the square bracket we are going to type 1, and here 60, right? Okay, now I run this program, see here now. Okay, again, yeah, the matrix is going to be a, but still the matrix is not defined well. Okay, see, just wait a minute. Okay, see here, here is the error is matrix. Matrix is not defined. Did you mean matrix? Yeah, the hit will going to give the hint and what do you call the hint here. The matrix we are will going to make miss here t, that is matrix, right? So I will miss the matrix spelling here. So that's why it will going to show the error, guys. Now it will run this program. Okay, let me run this program. Okay, see here, the our modified result is going to print on the terminal, right? So this is how we are going to modified lists, guys. Okay, now let have another thing will be there, that is you can also use the nested loop to iterate over the all the items in this matrix lists, guys. Okay, let me show you. So we start with the rows for, okay, just wait, I will harass this one, just wait. Okay, now we can start with the rows. For the rows in matrix, that is for row rows in matrix. Okay, had the colon. Okay, now we will see here, with this loop we are going to iterate over our matrix list, right? In each iteration row will contain a one list or one item. Okay, now we can, or we need to use the another inner loop. So we need to loop for this row which is list of items, right? This is list of items. Okay, we can type out here for item item in rows. Okay, item in row. Okay, had the column here. Now we can type here print items. Okay, item. Okay, item. Let run this program. Here we are going to see all the items in this list. See here, 1 2 3 4, all the items in our list it will going to print on the terminal, right? So this is how you can use the nested loop in this matrix list, guys. Okay, so I think you people are getting my words. I think you people are enjoyed with this video, guys. Please do subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, ಸಿಗುವ next video ದಲ್ಲಿ.